Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, you are welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I create this soft purple smoky eyes. So stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to be using this face toner to just tone my face with using a wipe. I don't know, I like using wipe these days with the toner. So after that, I'm going to be using this Zara moisturizer. This has been my favorite for like since it was released, and this, you guys, you need to get one of these. I'm going to be using the Stay Matte face primer just to prime my face after moisturizing. So right now I'm priming the areas that I get sweaty, and just allow that sit for some time before I apply my foundation. So before I apply my foundation, I these days, I don't know, I like using a concealer that is close to my skin shade, just to like sort of doing a correction. I don't know how to explain it, but it also gives a full coverage as well. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using this concealer from Colourpop to just apply that underneath my eyes and around my mouth, as you can see. So now I'm going to use this foundation from Nuban. I can't remember the shade anymore because it has peeled out. So I'm just going to blend that all over my face, and yeah. So after blending, I am going to use this concealer from Colourpop. Oh, sorry, not Colourpop, and Juvia's. This is in the number 16, I guess, yes, 16. So I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, basically, yeah. I'm going to also apply that on my eyes too, just to cover the dark areas. So yeah. So now the beauty sponge that I'm using is from Talk Glam. This is really soft, and after blending, I'm going to be using this Nuban Beauty concealer. I will drop the shade down just to highlight, contour my nose, and yeah, basically. So the brush I'm using to contour my nose is from Root Technique, one of their old brushes, the silver set, if you can remember. I think I've had it for like 4 or 5 years now, and yeah, so I'll go back to the Talk Glam beauty sponge, then blend everything together. Then I'm going to be using that same concealer to contour my face. Yeah. So I'll be mixing this Juvia's blush and this Elsa's blush together. You already know I love applying blush on my face, like too much. So after that, I'm going to be setting with this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and yep. These days I've been loving reverse contour. So this is me doing reverse contour using the same setting powder. Now I'm not going to be doing too much on my brows. I'm using this Younger Beauty Oud pencil to just brush my, I'm going to be using it to just basically fill my brows. But before then, I'm going to use this blot gel, brow gel, to just set my brows. Can you see the difference between the one I just did now and this other one? Is lighter, and the other one is, this one is darker. So I'm going to use the brow gel to just set my brows and leave it for a while before I use the brow pencil. So now I'm just buffing out the setting powder. Can you see how flawless under my eyes look? This is the reason why I've been loving Laura Mercier setting powder lately. So after buffing out the powder, I'm going to be using this Milani powder in the shade 108 medium, all over my face. Then I'm going to use this MAC powder as well, just to tone the powder a little bit down, because I feel like it was too lighter than my my chest. So this is me trying to blend everything together. So after that, I'm going to use this powder from Elsas, the dark one, to set my contour, as you can see, while I ignore my brows. I don't know why I left it for so long. Okay, so I'm going to be using that to contour my forehead as well, and the bridge of my nose, just to set the areas that I contoured earlier on. I am finally back to the brow. So what I'm basically doing here is just touch those areas that I feel like need pencil. I actually wanted to just use the brow tint, then highlight, but there's some empty space that needed to be covered. So yeah, so I was done with the brows because I feel like there was no time, and I just did it off camera. So guys, I'm basically applying that contrasting concealer that I used to highlight underneath my eyes, just to serve as my eye base. Then I'm going to set it with powder. I'm going to set just my brow bone with powder, so that the eyeshadow can stay properly, if you understand what I mean. So I'm going to set my face. I don't know why I'm setting my face before doing my eyeshadow, okay, let's leave that one. So this is the palette I'm going to be using. It's from Juvia. So I'm using the pink, the purple, and the yellow in that palette. So watch me create this purple eye look. So I'm patting the pink on my crease, then I'm going to blend it out. Just watch me do that. Okay. So now I am applying the purple shade now on top of the pink one. We'll be English now. So I'm applying the purple one on top the pink one, then I'm blending with the yellow in that same palette. I'm applying with the yellow color, just to give it that even look, not too I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just basically blending, blend, so you won't have like those harsh line, if you get what I mean. So after that, I'm going to this Younger Beauty palette, and then I will take that purple from this palette. I think that one is deeper, comes out more compared to the one in the Juvia's palette. So as you can see, so yeah, I apply, then I blend using the same brush that I used in applying the first purple, as you can see. So now I'm going to buff out the fallout underneath my eyes, and yeah, I'm going to be using this Zaron liquid liner. I don't know, it's been ages I used liquid liner, so I don't really like. Okay, I've lost interest in using liquid liners because they are so stressful. So what I do now, I use gel liner. So yeah, so I couldn't find my gel liner, and that was the reason I used this one. So yeah, after that I'm gonna be using this beautiful, my all-time favorite mascara from Zaron, so after that I am going to open my tear dot with that. Is that gold? Yeah, gold, but it was looking like it was reflective baby pink. Okay, then after that I applied a little bit of glitters underneath my eye, like very close to the tear dot, as you can see. Oh, how I love applying mascara on like on my bottom lashes. So I'm using this BH highlighter to highlight my face, my nose, those areas that you just need to pop. You get what I mean? So yeah, apply the forehead, bridge of your nose. Okay. All right, so after doing that, I went ahead to apply this Milani lippy. This lippy is beautiful, it smells nice. So I will drop the shade down below as well. So if you like it, you can go get it. So yeah, after that I applied this nude one from where? Oh my god, from Saron. Yeah, just to turn it down a bit. So yeah, then after that I went ahead to fix my lashes off camera, and that was it, guys. Don't you love this look? Don't you love this look? Anyway guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed every second of this video, and do let me know whatever you want me to create for you guys, and I'm going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.